Hey Packers, for those of you who don't know me, I am Miss Cornell and I am one of the ninth grade physical science teachers. So today I am going to be teaching you how to make folders in your Google Drive. So in order to do that, you're probably going to open a new tab, and then there's probably a couple ways that you can get to your drive. You can go over here to the little dots in the upper right corner by your picture, and you can click Drive, or you might have a shortcut like I do here, bookmarked, that you were taught last week. So I'm just going to click on that one, and you're going to see my drive has a lot of folders in it already and a lot of documents. Yours might just have a list of documents. So for practice sake, I made a distance learning practice folder already. So I'm actually going to pretend that this is my drive, my empty drive, or in your case, a drive with a bunch of documents. And the reason we're having you make folders is because we really want to help you organize during our distance learning and hybrid time, because you might have a lot of documents and just being able to go back and find those. So once I'm here, I'm going to go to this big plus sign that says new, and I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on folder because that's what I want to add today. So we would like you to title your folder Physical Science and click Create. So here I have my physical science folder in my drive, and one thing you can do is you can color code them. So you would right click or two finger tap, and you'll get this little menu with more options. So I'm going to click on change color, and you can pick whatever color you want. I'm going to pick blue. So my physical science folder is now blue. The other thing we would like you to do is add some folders within there, and we'll have you continually do that as we start our next units. So we would like you to start by adding two folders. So again, pressing the plus button, click folder again, and we're going to number these. So we're going to put 0, 1, and then the dash, and I'm going to type in introduction and click create. And then I'm going to do one more. So again, plus sign, folder, I'm going to do 0, 2, and then we're going to call this Intro to Chemistry, because that will be our first unit of content. Now, again, you can color code these. So just to remind you, you would click on the folder, right click or two finger tap, go to change color and make it whatever color you want. Let's go with purple. And then this one for Intro to Chem, I'm going to do orange. You can, it doesn't matter, pick whatever color you want. Now, I want to go back out to my drive where I'm going to see my physical science folder. And maybe you want to add more folders. So for example, maybe I want to add one for my language and lit class because we're doing a lot of papers or something. Okay, so I create that. Maybe I want to add one for math. So you can add as many folders as you want, but we really want you to have one for physical science this year to help you organize and keep things focused and just to help you out during this distance learning and hybrid time. Please let us know if you have any questions.